Hey Siri, timer in 2 minutes. So today I'm going to talk to you about dead hangs. I'm going to try and do a 2-minute dead hang while recording this video. I'm not sure if I can last 2 minutes while talking. I had a motorcycle crash when I was 27 and I've had problems with my neck ever since. Then last year I got a trapped nerve in my shoulder and I was in agony. My osteopath helped a lot. I did about 3 or 4 minutes of neck stretches most days, but the problem continued. And it was only after I started doing dead hangs a few months ago that my neck issues and shoulder issues and trapped nerve mostly cleared up. Dead hangs are great. Everything we do, whether exercising or just sitting, compresses the spine. And dead hangs stretch it all out. As well as decompressing the spine, they have all sorts of beneficial side effects. They improve your posture. They realign the spine, they stretch out all the evils of sitting in front of a screen at a desk all day. They increase neck and shoulder strength, flexibility and mobility. They stretch through your torso, particularly if you swing from side to side like this. They improve your stomach and core strength. They're great for your grip strength, your fingers and your forearms. And holding the position for extended periods is probably good for your determination too. So get a pull-up bar. The ones you can hang ones in your doorway, they're fine, but the ones you put on the wall outside are better, like this one, and keep hanging every day. At first you'll only be able to hang for about 10, 20 or 30 seconds, but keep doing it and you'll quickly increase the time you can hang for. And then you can start hanging in different ways. You can extend the width of your grip, you can swing, do one-armed hangs, try a couple or three, and just try a couple or three dead hangs a day and they will benefit you in all sorts of unexpected ways, I promise. I cannot think of a more physically beneficial way of spending a couple of minutes than a dead hang. And when it finishes, you get this rush of pain, this exhilaration through your shoulders. And I'm hoping it finishes pretty soon. Hey Siri, how long on timer? Hey Siri, how long on timer? I think I've